In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Calling. By the end, you'll know how to turn on calling in HubSpot, choose the right setup for your team, and place a call to a contact right from your CRM. First, start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, open your settings. You'll find the gear icon in the main navigation. Inside Settings, look for the Calling section in your user preferences. This is where you manage how calling works for your account. Next, open your account call settings. This takes you to the area where you can enable calling and manage numbers. Click Get Started to begin. HubSpot gives you two main paths: use HubSpot's built-in calling, or connect a third-party provider. If you choose the built-in option, you may see a prompt to upgrade. Click Buy Now to proceed. You'll be asked to choose your seats. In HubSpot, a seat is a paid user license that grants someone access to calling features. Think of seats as who on your team can make and receive calls through HubSpot. Pick the number of seats that matches how many reps need calling. Then click Continue to checkout and complete the purchase. Once that's done, you'll return to your calling settings to finish any required setup, like assigning seats and enabling numbers. Alternatively, you can connect a third-party integration. Click Explore Third-Party Integrations to open the HubSpot app marketplace filtered for calling tools. In this example, select Aircall for calling and SMS. On the app listing, click Install. You'll be redirected to sign in to your Aircall account. If you don't have one yet, register to create it. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection so HubSpot and Aircall can sync calls and activity. This route is great if your team already uses a telephony provider or needs advanced calling features. With calling enabled, either through HubSpot or a connected app, head back to your CRM. Open Contacts so we can place a test call. Choose the contact you want to reach and open their record. On the timeline toolbar, click Call. If it's your first time, HubSpot may ask for microphone permissions or to confirm your calling provider. After that, you can select the number to dial, choose the user placing the call if needed, and start the call. During the call, you can log notes and outcomes so everything stays in the contact record. That's it. You've enabled calling, explored both native and third-party options, and placed your first call from a contact record. If this helped, subscribe for more.